Welcome back to Summarize Science. Ever wonder what happens when a massive undersea internet cable gets cut? It's not as simple as flipping a switch to fix it. Figuring out the exact impact requires a small, elite group of experts. They have to use a bunch of different, super complicated tools that don't talk to each other. This whole process can take days of manual work, which is a huge problem during a major outage. But a new paper introduces a system called ArachNet, which asks, what if an AI could do all that work in minutes? ArachNet is the first system that shows large language model agents can independently act like a team of expert internet researchers to diagnose complex problems. It works using a team of 4 specialized AI agents, each with a specific job. First, an agent called QueryMind acts as the planner, breaking down a big question like, what's the impact of this cable cut, into smaller, manageable pieces. Next, Workflow Scout acts as the architect, designing a blueprint for how to solve the problem by picking the right tools for the job. Then, Solution Weaver is the builder, taking that blueprint and writing the actual code to run the analysis. Finally, a Registry Curator agent acts as a librarian, learning from successful jobs to make the whole system smarter for the future. To prove this works, the researchers gave ArachNet some incredibly difficult, real-world challenges. First, they tested if it could replicate solutions that were originally designed by human experts. ArachNet passed, showing it could reason and solve problems at a specialist's level. But then they gave it something much harder, analyzing a cascading failure. This is where one problem creates a domino effect across different parts of the internet. This kind of analysis normally requires days of manual coordination across multiple complex systems. ArachNet automated the entire process, integrating 4 different frameworks seamlessly. The final test was a true digital forensics challenge. The prompt was, internet latency between Europe and Asia suddenly spiked 3 days ago. Find out if a specific submarine cable failed. Acting like a detective, ArachNet sifted through different types of evidence, latency data, internet routing information, and infrastructure maps. It successfully established causation and identified the specific cable responsible for the problem. So let's recap what this all means. This research demonstrates that teams of AI agents can automate the complex reasoning of highly specialized experts. It can take tasks that require days of manual effort and condense them into minutes. This could make sophisticated internet analysis accessible to a much wider group of people, not just a handful of elite experts. Looking to the future, this technology could revolutionize how we diagnose and fix internet outages, leading to a more resilient and transparent internet for everyone. While there are still challenges to solve, ArachNet provides a powerful glimpse into the future of automated scientific research. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.